Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wasallam. Welcome to a spoken English class. In this class, we are going to listen and learn a great and nice story. Let's start. The Prophet Shoaib alayhi salam and the earthquake. A long, long time ago, there were two cities. They were called Madian and Aika. Madian and Aika were on the coast of the Red Sea. Many ships crossed the sea and came there. In the ships came foreign merchants. They brought beautiful things from other countries to sell in the market. The people of Madian and Aika brought the beautiful things. They loaded them on their camels. Then they traveled with their camels across the desert. And they sold the beautiful foreign goods to people in other cities. The people of Madian and Aika were very clever traders. They had big shops in the markets. The shops were always crowded. They had many camels to carry their goods to other places. They made lots of money and they became very rich. Their riches made them proud. They forgot about Allah. They started to cheat in their shops. They asked high prices for their goods. They even use wrong weights and wrong measures. Allah did not like what they did. He sent the Prophet Shoaib alayhi salam to them. The Prophet Shoaib alayhi salam told them not to cheat. He said, weigh things properly, measure things properly. Give people what they pay for. The leaders of the people laughed at the Prophet Shoaib alayhi salam. They said, we will do what we want. You are alone. You are weak. Why should we listen to you? Leave the city and stop preaching, or we will stone you. We don't want you to give us any advice. Prophet Shoaib alayhi salam said, I don't want to argue with you, for what would mean my doings what I forbid you to do. I am trying only to reform you as far as I am able. In him I have put my trust, and to him turn to say sorry for whatever I have done wrong. Allah waited for the people to listen to the Prophet Shoaib alayhi salam. He waited for them to stop cheating, but they did not bother about what the Prophet Shoaib alayhi salam said. Then a terrible thing happened. Allah sent an earthquake. The earth trembled, the houses shook, the walls crumbled. Stones from the walls and ceilings fell on the sleeping people. They were crushed to death. Only the Prophet Shoaib alayhi salam and good people saved. Allah dislikes cheating. He dislikes lying. He loves people who do not cheat and do not lie. He loves honest and view and truthful people. Thank you very much.